Welcome back, team. Let's start with a simple question. If you lost your sight today, how would your life change tomorrow? It sounds harsh, but the truth is, eye injuries don't give warnings. They happen in a split second, and they're almost always preventable. Today, we're focusing on eye and face protection, and we'll also wrap up with some reminders on heat illness safety, since we're still seeing high temperatures on site. Let's watch this short video. It covers the basics of eye safety, including how to identify hazards, select proper PPE, and inspect your equipment.
Well, look at you, working hard. But are you keeping your eyes on safety? What if something happened on the job that damaged or blinded you in one or both of your eyes? Eye safety is important because there are 2,000 work-related eye injuries every day in the U.S. While many of these injuries result in temporary or permanent loss of sight, proper eye protection could have reduced or prevented most of these injuries. Are you beginning to see how important proper eye safety is? Good. There are 3 important steps to eye safety. Step 1. You should recognize what dangers are present in your job. Step 2. Choose and use proper fitting eye protection that is appropriate for your work hazards. Step 3. Always inspect your eye protection before using it to make sure it's clean and in good condition. If there is any damage, you should replace it immediately. Let's take a closer look at eye safety hazards in the workplace. Some occupations are more dangerous than others, especially when it comes to eye safety. If you work in these or related fields, you should be aware of the eye hazards you're exposed to. Hazards include flying debris created by power tools like saws, impact hammers, and compressed air. Sparks, molten metal, or metal shavings from welding, drilling, or grinding are other common dangers. Chemicals and cleaning fluids can also cause injuries if splashed into your eyes. Even the fumes from these chemicals can cause lasting eye damage. Doing work above your head is another leading cause of eye injury. Heat or extremely bright light from arc welding, lasers, and intense sunlight are all potential dangers to unprotected eyes. Even simply rubbing your eyes with dirty hands can result in scratches, contamination, and other disabling injuries. Now that you know what hazards to watch for, you should choose the proper protection for the specific hazards you face. The most common protection is provided by certified safety glasses. While these may often look like regular prescription or sunglasses, they're not. All OSHA-approved safety glasses have Z87 stamped on the frame. So make sure yours have Z87 or don't use them. Other protection includes goggles and hoods for working around chemical liquids and vapors. There are specialized helmets and goggles for working with lasers, welding equipment, and other high-intensity light sources. And face shields are designed to protect your entire face. Step 3 of eye safety is making sure that your eye protection is clean, in good condition, and fits properly to provide you with maximum protection at all times. Before each use, eye protection should be cleaned using an approved cleaning solution, not water. While cleaning, look for damage like cracks, chips, or pitted lenses, and make sure any retention strap is able to keep the eye protection securely on your head. And there you have the 3 steps to eye safety. 1. Know what potential eye dangers are on your job. 2. Use properly fitting eye protection that is appropriate for your situation. And 3. Inspect your eye protection to make sure it's clean, in good condition, and fits properly.
Now, let's talk about what the video didn't cover, what's expected here on site. The video laid out the foundation. Let's now build on it with some specific expectations for our team. 1. PPE policy for air wands and blowers. If you're using hand blowers or compressed air wands, here's what is required. Safety glasses plus face shield every time. The only exception, you may wear a pair of impact-rated goggles that fully seal around the eyes instead of the combo, but only if they are approved for that task. This is non-negotiable. Air tools stir up dust, debris, and even metal fragments at dangerous speeds. One misstep can lead to a career-changing injury. 2. Proper storage and cleaning habits. After you're done, don't just toss your gear on the bench or leave it exposed to the elements. Store your PPE in a dry, clean, and chemical-free zone. Clean your face shields and goggles with approved, mild solutions, never harsh chemicals that could degrade the lens or plastic. Damaged or scratched visors and lenses not only reduce visibility, they can fail during impact. 3. Always report it or replace it. If your PPE is scratched, pitted, cracked, or the strap is loose, report it or replace it. Don't wait. Don't borrow someone else's gear. Your vision isn't worth the gamble. Now, I would like to give a quick heat illness safety reminder. We're not just facing physical hazards, we're battling the heat too. Here's how to stay safe during high-temp days, and what symptoms you should be looking for. Nausea or dizziness, excessive sweating or hot, dry skin, confusion or headache, muscle cramps. What to do to prevent heat illness? Drink water frequently. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Take breaks in shaded or cool areas. Wear lightweight, breathable clothing. Look out for teammates. If someone seems off, speak up. Heat stress can sneak up fast and it can be fatal. Respect the conditions and don't push through warning signs. Here are some final thoughts. We all know the saying, it only takes 1 second. Whether it's your vision or your health in the heat, that phrase couldn't be more true. So protect your eyes, respect the PPE, follow the rules, and take care of yourself and your team when the sun's blazing. Thanks for your attention. Stay sharp, stay safe, and as always, let's watch out for one another out there.